Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy named Sam. Sam was known for his curiosity and love for adventure. One sunny day, while exploring the outskirts of the village, he stumbled upon an old, rundown house. Intrigued, Sam cautiously entered the house, where he discovered a dusty book lying on a table. The book was filled with strange symbols and a note that said, "The key to happiness lies within." Determined to unravel the mystery, Sam began studying the book. Days turned into weeks, and he tirelessly decoded the symbols. Finally, he deciphered the hidden message: to find true happiness, help others. Inspired by the message, Sam embarked on a mission to make others happy. He started by assisting the elderly villagers with their daily chores. He helped them carry groceries, mend fences, and plant gardens. Their smiles and gratitude filled his heart with joy. Next, Sam organized a cleanup campaign for the village. He motivated his friends and neighbors to join him in picking up litter and planting trees. The village transformed into a cleaner, more beautiful place, and everyone felt a sense of pride and happiness. Sam's acts of kindness did not go unnoticed. The village leader commended him for his selflessness and presented him with a special award. Sam's eyes welled up with tears of joy as he realized that the key to his own happiness lay in making others happy. The news of Sam's noble deeds spread, and people from neighboring villages started seeking his help. Sam's kindness became a ripple that spread far and wide, inspiring others to do good deeds as well. As time passed, Sam realized that the true joy in life comes from bringing happiness to others. The more he helped, the more content he became. He understood that happiness was not found in material possessions, but in the genuine smiles and gratitude of those. And so, the story of Sam teaches us the valuable lesson that true happiness lies in selflessly helping others. No matter how small our actions may seem, they have the power to make a positive difference in someone's life. So let us embrace kindness and spread happiness, for it is in giving that we receive the greatest joy of all.